Hi, in this video we will be going over how to restore an end-dated golden record using the Hub repository APIs. So initially, I am doing a query for end-dated golden records. So here's the body, and at this point I'm only grabbing one golden record. So we'll just need the repository ID within the body here in the request. And then in the operation for that first connector, we are running it with the universe ID, the records, and then all end-dated records. So that will give us back only the ones we're looking to restore. From there, I'm going to set a property for the record ID. And here I will be getting the response for this record in the get golden record API. So within this get record metadata, it's going to give us the other requirements for the restoring of the end-dated golden record, which would be the source entity ID as well as the source. So here we'll be using the response we got back from the get golden record metadata, and we'll have the entity ID as well as the source ID that we'll be passing into the connector. So if we look at the last HTTP client connector here, we'll have the resource path with the universe ID again, record/sources, the source ID that we're getting from that dynamic document property, as well as the entity ID that we're also setting in the set property shape in the previous component. So from there, we'll run that restore. And if we run the entire process here, we can then go in and refresh, and we should have a second record appear, just like so. And within that record in the history, it will actually show that it was restored. Thank you for watching this video.